There are two types of cable machines you can use to clean a sewer lateral line: a drum machine or a sectional machine. In this section, we're going to cover the M18 fuel sewer sectional machine with cable drive. Sewer laterals are some of the toughest, nastiest clogs you guys run into because oftentimes when you're clearing a lateral, you're running into root clogs within the pipe. They're also some of the furthest distances away from your access point, which means you need a machine that's able to clear those really tough clogs. The M18 fuel sewer sectional machine with cable drive has the power to clear those tough clogs out to 200 feet. This machine utilizes both 7/8 and 1 1/4 cable fed in 15-foot sections to clear those clogs. To show you how it works, I'm first going to feed a 15-foot section of 1 1/4 cable through the machine to the back of the guide hose. Because we know we're going to encounter some roots, I'm going to use a 4-inch seed cutter. Once that's attached, I'm going to start the seed cutter in the line and then utilize the manual mode on this machine to start clearing that clog. And then I can start feeding. Make sure my machine's in forward. This machine also utilizes our cable drive technology to help you automatically feed and retract the cable from the pipe. This is most beneficial to retract the cable because when you're out those really long distances, it becomes a really big strain on your body to pull that cable back through that whole distance. This machine, by simply turning it into that cable drive mode, will do that work for you. All you have to do is pull out on this collar, turn it to the arrow direction, and put your machine in reverse. And then push down on your lever. Again, eliminating all that strain that you feel during that application. This machine also provides the easiest transport and setup. When you are ready to use the machine, all you have to do is put in one of our M18 batteries and get to work. No looking for extension cords or trying to find a power outlet, which is especially critical when you're in an application like this, where access to power is not close. When you're through the clog and ready to move on to the next job, this machine provides the easiest transportation by allowing you two ways. You can either use the lever arm as a carry handle, or use the telescoping handle and wheels at the back of the machine to transport. We also have enclosed cable containers that allow for easy transportation of those sectional cables, completely containing the mess and not having to worry about that mess as you're moving on to the next job. This machine also has our one-key technology for tracking and security to protect your investment. The M18 fuel sewer sectional machine with cable drive eliminates the hassles that you guys face and allows you to get on more calls.